Daspia. Hindi man kami ganun kaingay sa social media, pero madami kaming teachers na nagmamahal sa'yo at kay Bianca. At halos lahat ng ganap nyo, nandun kami pero quiet lang. Ito nga pala ang mga hinanda naming gifts for you. Una, itong very famous na Yellow Book. Kaya hinanap talaga namin to kasi very memorable sa aming mga teachers to. Kasi kapag hawak mo na to nung PBB days, hindi kami makagawa ng lesson plan. At sigurado, kinabukasan, madaming teachers ang magpapasurprise quiz sa mga grade 9. At sa paghanap namin ng copy nito, nalaman namin na meron palang sequel. Meron pala siyang sequel. So, ito naman, kapag wala kang ginagawa sa taping, o kaya habang hinihintay ka ulit ni Kaka sa kotse, para hindi na muna siya kumanta sa TikTok. Joke lang, I love Kaka's voice. Next, itong portrait naman, ito naman yung first year anniversary. Nakapalibot dito yung journey ninyo since PBB. Siyempre, nandyan yung kinakabahan at yung ngiti, yung MV ninyo, saka yung mga travels ninyo ni Kaka. At tulad nga lang, lagi mong habilin sa amin, di ba, na dapat yung love namin 50-50. Kung love 50 sa'yo, 50 kay Kaka, kaya dalawa sila. Yung isa kay Kaka. And gusto ko lang malaman mo na ang pagpunta ko dito, yung pinakamagandang regalo, kasi yung birthday ko din. Again, happy birthday at lahat kaming teachers ay very proud sa iyo.
Ala, happy birthday din po, ma'am. Pwede pong isang upuan. Ito na si ma'am. Sinama na si ma'am. Celebrate. Ma'am, ang ganda-ganda ng... Ang cute ni ma'am, no? Parang...
Galing!
Student siya. Ma'am, thank you so much. Ayan. O, susunod.
Sa TikTok and also yung mga chefies around the world, including Australia, Middle East, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, tsaka yung mga dito rin sa Philippines. So, ito po yung message namin. Medyo mahaba, so ika-cut short ko na. Happy birthday to the better half of the Daspia duo, Dustin Yu. Thank you for being someone who brings comfort, happiness, and inspiration to so many people without even trying. Through every smile, every achievement, and every little moment you shared, you've touched the hearts of your fans in ways you may never fully realize. Keep shining, keep dreaming, and keep being the beautiful soul that made so many people believe in you. Happy birthday, Dustin! We love you so much! Ling, Yumi, Romelet, MJ Jen, Mami Ruth, Mami Maribe, Mami Stella, and Mami Maria. Happy birthday!
Di ba po, no? Napabayaan na yung bata, kakapokpok.
Gusto niya pong maging future Dustin Yu.
Wow!
Ayan, thank you very much.
Next. Anak niyo siya, te? Oh, bongga, ang cute. Next. Tawagin naman natin ang susunod.
After Teacher of Daspia, Road to Forever TV,
Meron na susunod. Dasper Official.
Dasper Official.
Siya ay si Volvari. Ang tayong pangalan, parang Volvari derived from the Latin word volva. Volvari. Ano tayo mag-comment? Mag-comment ka.
I'm here to represent Duster. Ito yung message namin for you. To the fortune's favorite, to our Dudu, happy 25th birthday. You may have turned 25, but we have countless reasons why we love you. We have witnessed your journey, the sacrifices, the silent battles, the growth, and and the strength behind everything. And through it all, you've inspired so many hearts for everything. Of course, thank you for allowing us to be part of your journey. No matter how far life takes you, please remember that you will always have people who believe in you, and we promise to continue supporting you, standing by your side through every chapter. Dustin, all of us here, please know that we will always love and support you in quiet ways, in loud ways, and in all the ways that matter. Have a blast, our rock star.
Maraming salamat po, Miss Volvarine. Susunod naman, tawagin natin mula naman sa DB International, Lean. DB International, Lean.
Thank you.
DB International,
Miss Lee,
Miss Lean.
come on stage. Your birthday message to Dustin.
Hello, Dad.
Miss Lee, your message?
Alright, hi Dos. Lin, yung sinabi nila, but if you remember, my name is Lila from Pampanga, but I'm actually one of the member of Tasmania International. Napakahaba ng message actually nila, but we wanted to make it short kasi yung oras. But I just wanted to say happy birthday, Dustin. Sorry. And then, they just wanted to say na mahal ka nila, and then kahit medyo tahimik sila ngayon, they just wanted to wish a good life, a blessed life, and a beautiful life moving forward. And from me personally, just wanted to let you know na sobrang mahal ko kayo ni Kaka. And sobrang naging inspirasyon ko kayo from last year until this year. And this is my very first time na sumusuporta sa isang artista. So, mahal kita, and please always take care. Love you.
Thank you, Miss Lee.
Wow! Miss Lee, maraming salamat. And to the master rapper, maraming salamat.
Let's call on Mama Oski.
Mama Oski.
Mama Oski.
Ay, cute naman ang